Hi everyone, so this is my LED TV. So in the question 1, what I was talking about are the interface or the button present behind the LED. So you can just look here and you can figure out that how difficult it is to access these buttons here. These are 6 and 7 buttons. They include the buttons for volume up and down, changing the channels, or adjusting the screen size or brightness. So you see, first of all, you see the shape of these buttons. So they are line kind of buttons. They do not have an adequate size to press. So when I press, there is no voice or there is no haptic feedback available. Again, that is very difficult for the user to perceive that either the action is done or not. And one more thing, that the labels are associated with these buttons beneath them, like here, they are mixed with the background, as the background is black and the text is also black, so it is not viewable, or the user is unable to view what is written. So again, the problem is of signifiers are not clearly available. Also, the signifiers are not relevant. So one other problem which I usually exercise while interacting with these buttons are that they are placed haphazardly. For example, this button is for the volume up, and this is for volume down. So there is so much space between the two buttons having the similar functions. So again, this is again a matter of inconsistency, and the buttons are similar functions but are not placed together. So same goes for the buttons of changing the channels and the screen adjustment buttons. Also, the distance between the two buttons is very short. So sometimes my face is towards the LED and my hand is back toward to the on this button. So sometimes I press 2 buttons instead of 1. Again, this is the feed. Again, the area is very short. So again, this pertains to the fact that the shape and the size and the distance between two buttons are very short. So coming towards the affordances, so as I said, that these buttons do not afford to be pressed, so there is no feedback available right here at the point that whether a button is pressed or not. So some of the constraints with this particular interface has, or what I can say is, this interface is error prone because usually or most often I press wrong buttons. More often, if I need to press this button or volume up button, I just erroneously press the channel change button, because this interface invites the user to make the error deliberately. So this is error prone. So that's a short video. I just really want to demonstrate for you to understand better regarding this particular interface for this activity. Thank you.